Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install bet365 app on an iPhone step by step. First, make sure to unlock your iPhone, then open the App Store. Once you land on the App Store screen, tap on the search icon given at the bottom right. Then type bet365 in the search bar and tap search. From the visual, look for the official bet365 app and make sure that the app is published by the Hillside or bet365 to avoid downloading the wrong app. Once you find it, tap the get button. You may be asked to verify using your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID passport. Please make sure to follow the on-screen instruction. Once verified, the app will start downloading and it will install automatically. After the installation is complete, tap open or you can find the bet365 app icon on your home screen. When you open the app for the first time, you can log into your existing account or sign up from a new account, and that's it. That's how you can download and install the bet365 app on your iPhone iOS easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe for more simple app tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.